so much of the island is national park. It's also got World Heritage status.
It's a difficult one to answer because there's so many reasons.
The incredible diversity of habitats here.
Because you find something new every day, something happens.
So everything from the coral reefs, the mangroves. It's a really great place to do activities like kayaking and snorkeling.
It's a place that you can have some sort of confidence it's going to stay beautiful and natural into the future.
We've got it all here. You can just have so many amazing experiences.
The values of Magnetic Island are immense, and we now know that it makes a major contribution to the World Heritage values at the scale of the whole Great Barrier Reef World Heritage Area. We know that there are some values that are uniquely expressed on Magnetic Island and nowhere else. So how special is that?
We're very, very lucky because Magnetic Island is a focus of a community action plan just for the island and the waters around the island that relate to the Great Barrier Reef Marine Park. Today's workshop is about bringing people together to look at ideas that we can develop into projects that are based on actions, that are community-based actions for the reef.